guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup for work. It's just this simple soft glam look, nothing crazy. So yeah, keep watching the video to find out how I do my makeup for work and get ready with me. I don't talk that much, that's because I'm focusing and I'm also really tired and I'm sick. So yeah, sorry, it's not that fun or special, but you know, my makeup turned out good, so that's all that matters. Okay, so obviously first, you gotta put your hair up. Oh, I left my makeup brushes over there somewhere. I don't know where. Just give me a second. I look like an amoeba. I'm so unbelievably tired right now, but I need to get ready for work, so just get ready with me. So obviously first, need to prime your face. And for primer, I use e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This stuff is thebomb.com. You know, I don't need a lot either, just a little bit. Oh shoot, I forgot to moisturize. Okay. Pause on your primer, put on the back of your hand. So actually, I need to hydrate my face. I'm gonna use Low Serum Soin Hydrated. It's this. It works really good. I like it. Not complaining. Love it. A little bit of that. And you just moisturize your face. And I know my hands are gonna be freezing, so I'm gonna regret this. Oh my god, it's so cold. Sink in a little bit. Okay. So now you're gonna prime your face. And this primer, you're supposed to let it sit in your skin for, I believe, 30 seconds before you do anything else. I left all my palettes over there. I don't feel like getting up. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. So after I do that, I spray my face with setting spray because that just, I don't know, it makes my makeup stay on a lot longer throughout the day before I put it on. So just let that absorb. By the way, it's best that you moisturize your lips before you go onto your lipstick later. So while I'm doing the rest of my face, I have these two. I always mix it up. It doesn't really matter. I got them in my Ipsy box. They're called GRWM. It's gonna make my lips look really sparkly and annoying for a minute, so just bear with me here. I hate that. Oh my god, I look like a crackhead. So the first part of my face that I ever do is my eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I use this brow pomade by Maybelline. It's called Tattoo Studio. You're not gonna be able to see that, and I'm not gonna try either. And then I found these at Walmart. They're called In Studio, and they were only $1 each, so I guess they're like the new and upcoming version of e.l.f. It's just called In Studio Cosmetics. I got the brow pencil and the brow gel, and I love them both so much. Are they even? Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. So now that I have the outlining done and I look like a psychopath, we're gonna fill them in and then brush them out with the brow gel. Just use a slightly bigger angled brush. I'm still using the same brow pomade to fill them in. Oh yeah, if you couldn't tell, I'm sick. I just have some concealer left in this container and I never finished it, so let's just use this for shaping the brows today. Oh my gosh, I really look crazy right now. Now that I look like a psychopath. So really quick before I go into my eyes, I'm going to just set my brows with brow gel. And like I said, I'm using the In Studio Cosmetics brow gel, and I high-key love this brow gel. Like, it works really good. It actually does set my eyebrows in place all day. Okay, my brows are set. I need to grab my eyeshadow palette that I'm using and be right back. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe 39S palette. Such a gem, and it's like this, and it's so pretty. Oh my god. So I'm gonna be using like the neutral tones, so like these two up here. Yeah, because I don't really wear like, oh, I like this color right there. I might use that today, but I don't, for work I don't use like crazy pinky purpley colors, just the neutrals. I'm losing my voice. Wow. That's nice. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using brush wise, of course it got rubbed off, but just a tiny blending brush, nothing crazy or special. So I'm gonna just be going in with that lighter shade and doing the top part of my eyelid. And I did prime my eyelids with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, which I swear by still. It's only $6. You can get it at any drugstore. You can get it at Walmart, Target, anywhere. You can probably still get that at Ulta too. But I swear by that, and it's only $6 at Walmart. So hashtag not sponsored, but like I wish e.l.f. would, because I love e.l.f. so much. So I'm just gonna take that lighter shade and pack it in the crease part of my eyelid, if that makes sense. Not taking it too high because I'm gonna have to blend it out, and I don't want it to look too harsh. Alright, so just to blend out, you're gonna use whatever you have excessive on the brush still and just blend it out very softly. Don't rub it too harshly because you don't want to look like you have a black eye. Oh, there's something on my eye. Okay, that's bothering me. So on camera it looks very harsh, but it actually is blended out. It just looks so harsh on camera, but it's not. This eye looks so much nicer than this eye. Alright, so I'm going to take a darker shade on the outer corner of my lid now. Okay, so now that those are somewhat blended out, oh gosh, it looks so harsh on camera, even though it's really not like that. So now I'm gonna do my mascara really quick, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using because I've been like really into it and I love it. It's just something that I randomly found the one night at Walmart, and I love it. It's so good. So it's by Wet n Wild. It's a mascara and fiber set, and this is step 1 and 3. So you apply this, apply the white fibers, and then you apply this again. And I've been doing like 2 to 3 layers of it just because it makes my eyelashes look so long and so pretty. But really quick, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first. So like I said, you apply the mascara first. There's like a hair or something on my eye and it's bothering me. Alright, I think I got whatever was in my eye. And then you apply the fibers. And then you apply mascara again, and then you just kind of repeat the process until you're satisfied with your lashes. Okay, so that's that eye. I'm gonna do the other, and then my eyes will be done, and then I just have to do the rest of my face and my lips, and I will be done. I don't know why this looks so harsh over here. It's really not harsh at all. Like in the mirror, it's so nicely blended, but on camera, it just looks so harsh. Alright, and that is the second eye. I'm satisfied. I'm happy. I like them. So now on to my eye, or my face. I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. I got this on sale actually at, what's that place called? TJ Maxx. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, you can find a lot of good steals and things at TJ Maxx that you wouldn't typically go there to look for. But I got this and it wasn't expired, nothing, but I got it for $10 at TJ Maxx one time. And I also got the powder version of it too. Yeah, powder foundation version. And I just dropped everything. So let me just go in and do this. Now, I used to do my foundation with a beauty blender for the longest time, but it wouldn't like actually stick to my face. It would just sit on the surface of it, which, I mean, you obviously don't want your makeup to like sink into your pores, but when it sat on the surface, you could see my pores even more. With this, it's like kind of full coverage. You really don't need that much. Like, I just put 2 pumps on my hand and it usually covers my whole face. Oh my gosh, my hair. For contour, wrong one. I lost my contour thing. Just kidding, I found it. So I use this e.l.f. cream contour kit and I'm running very low on it. So I have to use the darker one at the bottom, but I try to cover it up as much as I can, and I try to blend it out as much as I can so it's not harsh, and I don't use a lot. Okay. I look like a me, like a Wii from, or a me from the Wii. You know what I meant. Using my foundation brush to blend it out. It's like so weird seeing me transform with makeup. Like, who is this? This isn't me. So now that I've done that, I usually do go in with my powder foundation. It helps just to set my makeup if I can get it open. It would make sense if I opened it from the right side. That is done. I just have to highlight and I will be done. Use Stardust from the Morphe 8L Lo-Fi palette. This is what it looks like. But I'm gonna go with Stardust and Cosmic. I usually mix them. And just apply that on my cheekbones. So there's that. I'm almost done. I have like a million different lipsticks I could use. I don't want to use lip gloss. I just want lipstick. I'm gonna line my lips with this lip pencil I got from what's that place called? Primark. I need to sharpen it because it is so low. But yeah, I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Always make sure you brush your teeth before you do your makeup. That way you don't have to get up in the middle of your makeup and brush your teeth before you do your lipstick. And for lipstick, I used ColourPop Ariel lipstick. My sister got me that for my birthday and I'm obsessed with it still. And set it. So I still need to do my hair, but that is my makeup for today. What? Really? What? Yeah? Uh-huh. Really? Oh my gosh. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I know this was a really boring video, but I've been sick like all week pretty much, and it's just getting worse. So that's it. I hope you guys had a beautiful Christmas. I hope you enjoy your holiday, whatever you celebrate. I celebrate Christmas. And yeah, that's it. Comment down below what you want to see next. And I did ask you guys on my Instagram if you wanted to see what I got for Christmas haul, and you guys voted yes, so I'll probably do that. But for now, this is just my get ready with me for work edition. And yeah, that's it. My hair is such a mess. I need to go do my hair. Bye.